Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix TikTok filters not working on iPhone. For example, if you want to upload a photo on your TikTok account and you try to search for a filter and that filter is not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. For example, if you try to upload a video of 60 seconds or any time duration, and if you look for effects here, and if you do not find an effect and you simply search for here an effect and you see that that effect is not working, and if you have already searched for that filter and that filter is not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close your TikTok, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to go to general, and in general what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply reset all of your network setting, and after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on your airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi connection or internet connection can be restarted. So here what you have to do, you have to simply go back and again click on TikTok, and you have to try to go for that filter, and you have to check whether that filter is working or not. If it is still not working, then you have to simply go to three lines and you have to go to settings and privacy. And after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of report a problem. So here what you have to do, you have to simply look for that problem in report a problem. So here what you have to look for, you have to simply search for that problem which is as filters not working, and after that you have to simply search for the solution on TikTok. So here you can simply go for using filter or effects you are having the problem. So you have to select that, and after that they will provide you a kind of solution, and if it doesn't work for you, then you have to simply click on no, and you have to click on need more help. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply provide here the description of the problem, that hello TikTok team, I am having problem with that filter, kindly solve this problem for you. And after that you can also provide here your screenshot of the problem and video if you have any, and you can simply click on submit, and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team and they will solve for your problem as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.